Question: ds. What is the value of x minus y? Condition 1. 3 to the power of x whole times of 9 to the power of y equals 81. Condition 2. 5 to the power of x whole times of 5 to the power of y equals 125. Solution. Now we will solve this ds question using the variable approach. ds, two variables, question. Condition 1, one equation. Condition 2, one equation. ds question with two variables. Let's look at a ds question with two variables. In the original condition, two variables would generally require two equations to solve the problem. We are aware that each condition should give us an equation, resulting in a total of two equations. An equal number of equations and variables should logically give us answer C. Let's apply 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the value of x minus y. Follow the second and the third step. From the original condition, we have two variables, x and y. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need two equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, C would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose C as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us that 3 to the power of x whole times 9 to the power of y equals 81. Or 3 to the power of x whole times of 3 to the power of 2 times y equals 3 to the power of 4. Adding the exponents together gives us 3 to the whole power of x plus 2 times of y equals 3 to the power of 4. Then we can drop to the bases to get the equation x plus 2 times y equals 4. Condition 2 tells us that 5 to the power of x whole times 5 to the power of y equals 125. Or 5 to the power of x whole times 5 to the power of y equals 5 cubed. We can then add the exponents together to get 5 to the whole power of x plus y equals 5 cubed. Dropping the bases gives us x plus y equals 3. Now we have two equations, and when we subtract the equation 2 from 1, we get x plus 2 times y minus x plus y whole equals 4 minus 3, that is, y equals 1. Plugging y equals 1 into x plus y equals 3, we get x equals 2. The variable approach is much easier to use after you know the basics of math. So, x minus y equals 2 minus 1 equals 1. The answer is unique, so the conditions 1 and 2 combined are sufficient. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are sufficient. If you take the time to solve all of the questions as suggested by the official guide, you are going to run out of time. Be careful. This is why the variable approach is so useful. You simply need to remember that the answer is C because the number of variables is 2. So C is the correct answer. Answer C.